through the charts with Moe G. Dollar bills and beats, we feel so free. Market rising fast just like the sea. In this trading world, we got the key. Bulls and bears that dance with our luck. Moe G's got that charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moe G and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moe G's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down we groove with delight. In Moe G's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moe G and me, the perfect brigade. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, cash flow low. Moe G and me, we still style. Dating like a profit brigade. Whoa. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moe G and me, we still styled. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moe G and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moe G's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down we groove with delight. In Moe G's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moe G and me, the perfect brigade. Whoa. Perfect brigade. Oh, perfect brigade. Running through the charts with Moe G. Dollar bills and beats, we feel so free. Market rising fast just like the sea. In this trading world, we got the key. Bulls and bears that dance with our luck. Moe G's got that charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moe G and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moe G's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down we groove with delight. In Moe G's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moe G and me, the perfect brigade. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, cash flow low. Moe G and me, we still style. Dating like a profit brigade. Whoa. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moe G and me, we still styled. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moe G and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moe G's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every call that made feels like we sinned. Up and down we groove with delight.
Hello, good morning, good morning. My name is Moe G. All right, and welcome to another live session. So today, we're gonna go over a little rundown of the game plan, look at what Price did in the Asia and London sessions, and then see where we could get opportunities to enter trades today. All right, so you can see here on the charts. Let me just mute this a little bit. There we go. All right, so we can see here on the charts, this is the game plan for today. I have 865, 2865 as my long on stall level. And then I have 2165 as my short on stall level. So uh, last night we can see that we had a drop during the Tokyo Sydney session here, but it recovered nicely. London kind of stayed in this area until about 6:30, and then started making its way up. So let's see what New York will bring. So as of right now, since we're above this area, we're going to be looking, see if we'll be looking for longs. Yeah, I think looking for longs. Yeah, it could be. So right now we'll be looking for longs, but however, I'm just looking at um, my daily fib over here, and we might be in a range. So just, you just want to be aware of that. So where's the range? The range is actually in between where these levels are. So there might be an opportunity uh, to, if it stalls here, to take a short because we could see it head all the way back down to this area. Um, so now let's head over to the my trigger chart. So let's see what's going on here. We can read it together in the morning. Right now, TPOs are green, which is bullish. Um, you can see over here in the dashboard, mentorship averages in order for long. So that means it's trending long, pull back with trend. So you can see kind of where we can get some opportunities. Right now, as far as context wise, zoom this out a little bit. This is the expensive, really expensive, cheap, really cheap. Right now, we're halfway in between the expensive box and the called super expensive box, and now we are heading down. Now let's see where we can stall. See how far down it wants to push it, so we could stall, maybe catch along up. Because right now, as far as the what I'm seeing as probability. Right now, probability is in the favor of the Bulls. So let's see what happens here. All right, we have 10 minutes, about 9 minutes until open. I'll be trading today one of my funded accounts at for New York session. See if we can hit that payout today. No pressure. I learned my lesson from last Friday, trying to show off a little bit, but I'm not going to show off today. I'm going to look for um, my A and B setups. And then if I do catch an A plus setup, I'll go a little bit heavier depending on where we are in context wise. Meaning, I would not go heavy long here. I would take a, I would look at my risk management and take a, lower contract size. From here, if I'm looking long and I'm down here, sorry for that background noise. Looking long from down here, yeah, you can go a little bit heavier, especially around. I would go around where my level is. Let's see now. Let's look to see what price is doing right now. So right now you can see the bulls were we're pushing. They're taking a little breather. It's no coincidence that price is moving down right now. However, look out for the range today. What do I mean by range? I don't mean chop where um, like you can get chopped out of trades. I mean more of a range where you have opportunities. If it stalls somewhere to take a short, if it stalls on another place to take a long. Let's just check in on YouTube, make sure everything is on correctly. Yep, we are on there. Very good. Manage. Get here. And here. Good. Go there. Okay, there we go. We're good too. Perfect. All right, so YouTube is looking good. We are live. Got Trade Evade open. We're ready to go. Anything happened on Discord today? People moving live. All right, so we got some news coming up. So for people who were waiting, let's see. Oh, okay. All right, so we got some good news coming up. We got some really good news coming up. Yeah, let me just. All right, and we're about to be live in about 5 more minutes. You can see now price. We got some action starting. Some prices pushing down. Let's see. Price is pushing down right now. All right, I'll be right back because we're going to be starting in about 5 minutes.
Running through the charts with Moe G. Dollar bills and beats, we feel so free. Market rising fast, just like the sea. In this trading world, we got the key. Bulls and bears that dance with our luck. Moji's got that charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down, we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moji and me, the perfect brigade.
All right, so we are back. All right, we got 2 minutes to open. Let's get some energy up. I'm here drinking my I like my Jacko Go Fuel. It doesn't have insane amount of caffeine, but I do like that it's keto friendly and it's low sugar. I think it's zero sugar to be honest with you. All right, so let's see what's happening here. So you see we got a little push down, about 1 minute to go. New York is about to open. So yeah, so everybody, please remember, uh, you know, little disclaimer, it's not a financial advisor. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. And remember, trading is risky, so please take proper risk management. Now, with that, let's start the open. Five, four, three, two, one. Opening bell is now on. Okay, let's see. Here we go. We're pushing up right in the beginning. Had a nice little push. Let's see if it wants to break London's high or if it's going to reject. See what it wants to do right now. Make sure my trade evade is open. What am I looking for right now? Nothing yet because we just opened. I need to see more. Uh, I need more information to the story to really see where my first opportunity will be. Shot up like a cannon, but going the remember this is the 1 minute chart, so zoom it in a bit. See what it wants to do. Let's see. All right, let's see where it wants to go. All right. Looks like we are is trying to head up. Let's see. Did we pass? Not yet. Let's see. All right. So what am I looking at right now? I'm looking at to see what price wants to do, right? What can it do? What can it not do? Right now, price, we look like we're coming out of the gates bullish right now. And remember, this is the open. So candles, this is the 1 minute chart. I enter on the 1 minute. And you can see how like in a couple seconds you can be up 10 points and down 20. So just trade with caution right now. This is actually a good entry point for me, but I want price to come back a little bit. We are a little high, so I will go lower contracts on this. Definitely lower contracts. This one, make sure I have the right setting in place. Okay, let's see. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna go in and this long. See if I can get my TP1. This is a very low contract breakout trade. Let's see. Nope, not liking it coming back on me. Gonna be out in three, two, one. I'm out. All right, so I'm out of that trade. Low risk trade. Low risk trade. Got one. Also ready to open. Now I am just waiting. Gonna wait a little bit to see what New York wants to do here. We are only 5 minutes into the open. Let's see. Let's see what New York wants to do here. Very interested. See what it wants to do right here. We can continue that push up or not. Let's see. Don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, push up. How high do you want to go, New York? Come on, push past this. Looking very bullish right now. Very high risk. Okay, there we go. All right, we're pushing. Good. Where we at? All right, good. Now we got now. Okay, so what do we do from here, right? You know, New York is obviously pushing, but we are in the open. What can I do from here? Basically, I gotta wait till find a good area to come in. I have to wait for a good area. Yeah, so right now there's the waiting game. So let me see. Today I want to focus on getting the my highest probability trade possible. I don't want to FOMO into anything. So right now this is no man's land where price is at the moment. Only 6 minutes into the open. Now, why do I keep saying that? Because we're looking bullish right now, but we can always push back in any moment until New York defines what it really wants to do. So right now we are just gonna have to wait for another about 10 minutes or so because I want to see what area or level does it want to start stalling at so we can make a good decision if we want to go in or not. So right now I lost my first trade, which is fine because it was low contract size, which is good, which was smart on my part. Now I'm just waiting for an extra area. I like that push we had up before because now we can start seeing where price kind of wants to settle at, so we can see if there's any opportunities to enter. And in the meantime, if you are looking to get a deal on these indicators, stay tuned. Stay tuned because I will have an announcement coming up. I will have an announcement coming up on an amazing sale. Okay, and what you're gonna and the instructions you're gonna have to do in order to um, be a part of it. So okay, look at New York. It's flying up now. I would be very careful when it starts to hit this area here. Just be extremely careful. Meaning, I don't think I'm entering here. I want to wait till I get new context for sure. It's okay. So, what do I do in the meantime while I'm waiting, right? I'm going to be keeping myself occupied. So, this way, I don't jump into any unnecessary trades. It's another way I control my risk management. This is full. Okay, what's going on? See, here we go. Let's get New York. Take a little breath, man. Just take a little breath. Okay. Now let's look at this. All right. I like this area here. I like where it is resting on top of that box. If so, now what am I looking at? If this box can stay, like if this box can hold, then that will be my stall level, and I will look to long off the top of the box. Low contract size. If it doesn't and it breaks into, then I'm going to wait until the new 4 hour, which is around 10 o'clock, to see for trade entry. I'm being very patient today because I learned my lesson. See, this is the thing about trading. You got to learn your lessons sometimes. You got to be humbled. Last week, I was on a hot streak. I had 4 green days in a row. I was going for five, and it went good. I got too cocky. Whenever you get cocky, the market humbles you like crazy. Yesterday was a great day, green day, and today I'm being very focused. I'm going to be extremely patient. So this way I reduce the risk I have in the market of how many times I enter, and I get good quality trades, and I know why. So right now, we should just be prepared for a little push down. Not uncommon. Not uncommon. And to all the members on the Discord, today is going to be a awesome day for you on the Discord because lead trader extraordinaire DC is going to show you his Ferrari setup. Yes, that's right, Ferrari setup. He's giving you the keys. And guess what? Even if you have indicator access, you're getting those keys too. So it's imperative that you be a part of this Discord because what he is showing right now on the Discord, forget it. Yeah, I think that's going to be an ultimate game changer with trading with Atom indicators. Just the way how simple it is that anybody can use, no matter what indicators you're used to. With his setup that he's dropped, man, we're working on. I'm working on getting him on the YouTube so we can show this sucker off to everybody. Yeah, so I'm in the US, so it's Thanksgiving week here. So we're gonna be live today and tomorrow, not Thursday and Friday. That's the time you should enjoy. Um, enjoy time off, step away from the charts, regroup, and hit it back on Monday. It'll be a new month, so just be aware it'll be a new month on Monday. So trade with caution because a new month we don't know what it brings. We don't have any information yet on how the new month may play. All right, let's see what's happening here. So far, what price cannot do so far, it's not been able to get into the expensive box, and everything is still probability wise for longs. That doesn't mean I'm jumping in just yet because right now there's no opportunity right now. For the setup that I use, what is it? Well, basically, this is the bullish volume here that is now cooling off. We have uh, a bearish evidence line here, and once this one clicks off, we can see a little retest of this area here until price decides which way it wants to go for the rest of the day, or at least for the rest of the hour. Okay. All right. So while we're waiting, I could talk a little bit on how I do how I came up with my brackets, right? These are my brackets. I trade with a 20-point stop loss, depending on contract size, and where invalidation is, where a point is that I feel price needs to stay. And my TP1, my take profit, is at around 7.5, 7.75 points. Now, why is that? Because I take off, let's say I trade two contracts, I take one contract off there. So that reduces the risk of the runner that I look for 50 to 100 points to get. Does we get it all the time? No. Does we get it 40% of the time? Sometimes. I'm more in the 30 to 35% of getting 100 pointers per 50 trades. So you could do, now that doesn't mean now I just want to clarify, that doesn't mean it's 100 or nothing. It's my goal is to get to 100, but I'm trailing my trade to squeeze out as many points as I could possibly get, leaving it in enough room. Okay, here we go. Looks like there you go. Looks like the Bulls are gonna try to push this sucker up. You notice how we could not get into that cheap box, but we are by the teal box, the super expensive box. So again, you just want to be careful. Yeah. So right now I'm just waiting. Okay. Me personally, I'm just waiting. Um, if you wanted to get into a long, from what I'm showing on this chart, I don't there you could have, possibly here, you could have entered very, maybe one micro or something like that. Just because we are considered really expensive here and we have a level up here, so kind of want to take that into your decision making process. Let's see now. Yeah, right now, based on what I'm seeing at this time, it's only 9:47, and I'll be looking for a long, probably around 10 o'clock. Get this up, and let's see what's going on in the chats. Is anything happening here? All right, let's see. Um, yeah, really no entries right now. No entries right now. As much as I want to get in, so I do let, I'm going to tell you exactly how I feel right now. Like, I want to get in a trade right now, right? Because it looks pleasing to the eye when I see everything green in the direction I want to go in, right? But that's my emotions saying me, oh, this is good to go in. If I look at it through my process, it's not a good time to go in. Why is that? Well, one, the it looks like I am in the continuation part of the first move that started here. Okay, started here. I tried to get in around here, and New York does what it does, and it comes back, you know. But hey, that's what happens. This is the and now we're in a little continuation from here, so I need to look for an area that is not considered super expensive to jump on this train. So if I'm just examining this, this would have been obviously the ultimate entry. We had the Gabby button there, right? That would have been the ultimate entry for this particular move. You had this right here could have been where uh could have hopped on the trend again, lower contracts. Right now here, I don't touch it until 10 o'clock. This is one of those days where you're gonna see the patience now because there's literally nothing for me to do right now but wait because I missed my opportunity. And it happens, but guess what? When you're trading, you know other opportunities come, and when they there, we can jump. Okay, let's see what's it. Yeah. And then if I was to get into a trade here, I like using we have a built-in trailing stop, which is this line here. You notice when it crosses, it's a bearish trailing stop, and then the other way, it's a bullish trailing stop. And then it's cool is that it actually lights up the price on the side here, uh, which can give you an idea of where you want to put your stop. Now remember that it's your risk management, right? That's just a tool to kind of give you an idea where you would like it. See what we got going on. All right, so this is an area I told you. Remember I told you about the fib. This is an area where we could see some selling happening. So just be aware. Again, I would personally wait till 10 o'clock. That's what I'm gonna do because that keeps me out of this junk. It's not junk. It's just that it's from what I see, the way I look at it, I don't see a level to get in right now. But we're looking very, very bullish on the day. At least on the session. I'll put it. I'm not because since Tokyo, since the dip in Tokyo, we've steadily been going up into the right. Yeah, let's see. Excuse me. All right, so yes, we are going to have a disco, right? A discount announcement soon. I'm going to announce that at around 10:30, okay, with instructions on how to be a part of it. So is once that is announced, it'll be on this screen and on another screen. So this way, even if you don't see it on the live, if you watch the recordings, you'll see it there. You can see how price right now just took a little break. That doesn't mean it'll tumble down. This is just a good, if we're looking for the long, I want to see this. I want it to come down to an area that that's appealing to get in. Now, that's given if nothing probability wise changes. Probabilities start to change, then we got to take a step back and look maybe at a higher time frame where my game plan is to see kind of what's happening. Let's see here. So far, price is pushing down. I don't see anything to do. Let's see here. This is where it kind of side up again. Last time we got a Gabby sell button, that purple dot you see. Right now, um, looks like the bulls are kind of tired. Let's see how strong the bears are. All right, so let's see what's going to happen here. Let's see. Looking like the market's taking a little breather. This could be a good pullback area, so just keep that in mind. Open Discord. Let's see what's happening in the Discord. This is your sneak peek into the Discord. I'm not going to obviously show you exactly what they're talking about. You got to be a member too. Let's see what's happening here. Okay. Yep. So yeah, so market's taking a nice little breather here. Now, do you want to take a short here? Yeah. Yeah, I would take a low risk short if I really wanted to. You can capture 10 points or so. I mean, I'm not because I'm looking for the longs, but if you wanted to, yeah, it's you got a good area. Look, it was really expensive here. You had weakness, right? Yeah, see this is turn. See that red line is weakness for the bulls, so on and so forth. Right? We got a little reset going on here. Sorry, got a little something wonky happened. Anyway, yeah. So if you want to take a little baby short here, yeah, just control your risk. Again, not financial advice, but the context wise looks good. However, me personally, based on my plan, I'm going to see where price kind of wants to stall out at, and then see if there's any opportunity to get in along. What's going on in Discord right now? Not too much right now. All right, let's see. Here we go. All right, let's see. Now let's ask the question again, right? We're going to redo this. This is the process. We're redoing it again. What can the market do? What can the market not do? Right now, can the market enter into this gray cheat box and stay there? That's what we're looking at right now. That's what we're trying to see. If you're looking at trigger wise, right, based on what the chart that's in front of us right now, um, we see weakness, we see probabilities starting to change. Okay, so and we are 1 minute away from the new 4 hour. So are there shorts come in? Okay, so we have definitely, I think we had, here you go. Here's the new 4 hour. All right. Now, I would not take a trade right now because the Dom is going absolutely insane. ATR is definitely up. And here comes a drop. Here comes the drop. Okay, we're gonna action like this. We got to reduce our risk. Nothing's in yet. Let's see. Let's see what happens. So if you notice, TPO turned from green to gray. The IVD, the volume distribution, turned from green to gray. Background, green to gray. That's all indications that it's time to start looking for short possibilities. Again, not surprised because we were at the super expensive on the last 4 hour. Let's see if this 4 hour wants to be bullish or bearish. You see that giant, the wick, this wick down here. Okay, you see this wick down here. It happened to touch where this cheap box is and stay there. And now I'm still going a little nuts, so just be careful. Be careful. Last thing. Okay, so lesson learned, right? When it's moving like this, you can get some slippage. So be aware of that. Be aware it could slip past your stop. No rush to get into anything yet. Okay, we got yellow TPO. That means it's still got to wait. Got to be caution. So when it's a yellow TPO, what you'll notice on your DOM is that price will, let's say, shoot down 7, shoot up 10, shoot down 12, shoot up 15. So that's where a lot of, especially how I trade with the short stops that I have, that's how it could take you out pretty quickly. So just be aware. So what does it mean when TPO turns to yellow? That means we're in a chop, right? So I know we had a question the other day, like, can the indicators help you with the chop? Yes, they can, because right now it's telling you, hey, we're in a chop right here, and that means for me, one, if I enter, gotta make sure my TP1 is legit, and I have to make sure that it's at a level that I like. Okay, so right now, this is an interesting level. If we cannot break above this area, um, we could be heading down. However, you did see that giant spike that just happened at 10 o'clock, and we shot right back up. So let's see. Let's see what it wants to give us. Okay, so it's looking like it wants to push up. This is a good sign. If we can stay above here, then that's a good area to attempt a low risk long. Let's see. So far, I'm not in anything just yet. Nothing yet. If my TM strength line turns green, I think I would go in. Let me see. Let me just look at everything. Okay, TPO's yellow, caution. IVD went from green to gray, caution. Background went from green to gray, caution. Probability oscillator is still looking bullish. Let's see what's happening on this side. Okay, so yeah, so right now I'll be looking for a long for now. I just gotta wait. No rush in. No rush in right now. Let's see if we had any. I'm gonna make sure we didn't have any news today. Okay. News and events. Let's see what do we got for today. Thank you for to Cloud, by the way. He's awesome at making sure that the community has news ready and with explanation. Okay, let's see. We have today's Tuesday. We have CCI and we have, let me see, home price, show home price indices. Okay, so we had two pieces of news today. Okay, see what the market wants to do for us right now. So right now it's still trending bullish, which is good. The TPO is looking like it wants to go back to gray, which is good. That's what I like to see. We might have our entry soon. Let's see. It'll be tight, but let's see. Okay, so TPO turned off, which is good. Okay, not ready for the long just yet. So how do I know we're not ready for the long just yet? I'm looking at my surge down here. I'm seeing when you see this bottom line, right? You could basically say, okay, bulls are pushing, took a break, and bears are pushing. That's how you can read this. Now I'm just waiting if this top line here clicks green, and that would be very, very nice. So far we're still waiting. Okay, so it looks like we're getting some kind of weakness. Let's see what the market wants to do. I know every day is a new day in trading. Um, However, it does, success leaves clues. And as of right now, based on where we are chart-wise, what's in the way here? Let's see what level's in the way here. All right. Okay. We got to stay above here. I'll put a yellow line right there. I'm going to put a line on the chart so this way you can see this area here, that where that yellow line is. See how price is dancing on it? Even we spiked down and came right back. If we can stay Above this, that's bullish. That's a good idea to look long. If we start breaking below it and retesting, then price is most likely going to come down. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. See how we're dipping down here? This is why you have patience. You gotta have patience in this game. Okay. All right. TPO went back to yellow. This is why we're waiting. So what's my opinion? Like, why do I think it's yellow here? I think it's the TPO is yellow here because where that level is, there's a lot of bulls slash bears sitting, and we need to see who's going to win that area. I told you we're in a range today, right? With the fibs, so don't be surprised that you were going to see something like this. I'm not surprised that we're seeing this right now. Your trade opportunity, not yet. It's coming though, but I wouldn't take it right here. If we can't get it back above this yellow line, it's a high risk though. It would be low contracts. So far, okay, so far probabilities are mixed. One says chop, one says uh, indecision. The other one says probability is for the bulls, but yet current action is bearish. All right, so we'll see. Ooh, that's a nice little bullish pump right there. The bear's getting tired. A nice little pump right there. Let's see. Let's see. I kind of like that. See if I want to get in there. Let's see. Come on, TM strength. Come on, give me another. Let's see. All right, let's get in this. Let's see. Let's see if it wants to give us our TP1. I got TP1 at 7.5 points. Let's see. Struggling, struggling, struggling to get there. See. Come on, TP1. Get there, get there, get there, get there, get there. Almost there. Almost there. Oof. You know, this is taking too long. Come on. And there we go. TP1 hit. All right, so I'm in long. TP1 hit. Got a runner running. My stop is at 953, which is just below this yellow line, which is where this last candle was. So let's see. Let's see if it wants to run for me. I doubt it. It won't run right now because TPOs are yellow, but let's see if it can hold it. That's a really bad push. I'm gonna get out. Yep. Okay, so I got TP1, but guess what? The runner got out. It's okay. It was a low risk trade. Low risk meaning minimal contract. Okay, so we've got one. So we are 1-1, one winner, meaning for a TP, one loser, no TP, no runners yet. Do we have another opportunity? Not yet. I need now. So I tried it. Now I need a little more info to see if it's ready. I just need a little more info. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna take a quick break and then I'm gonna come back and then I'm going to announce the discount that's coming.
Running through the charts with Moe G. Dollar bills and beats, we feel so free. Market rising fast, just like the sea. In this trading world, we got the key. Bulls and bears that dance with our luck. Moji's got that charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down, we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moji and me, the perfect brigade. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, cash flow low. Moji and we still style. Digging like a pro, fear brigade. Whoa. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji and we still stout. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed.
Okay, okay. So look, see what I said? If we break below that yellow line, we're dumping, and look at what's happening. I literally called that out. That was a good area. See, I did not get in it because I was away from the computer, but you can see this, and that was a good opportunity for a short if you wanted to take it. And now you see how probabilities are changing here. Probabilities are changing. Now we're still choppy, right? So you got to be careful. You still got to be careful when you're entering a trade because you saw how it shot down, came back almost three-quarters of that candle, and then dropped down again. But right now, the probabilities are telling us shorts right now, possibly down to the 900s. So be careful. Let's see where this is on. Yeah. Yep. Not surprised. Not surprised at all. I wouldn't be surprised at all if it comes down to the 900s and then another opportunity for longs comes in. So trade what's on your chart. Be very, very careful. Careful meaning that you're in a you're the job of a trader is to manage as much risk, right? One way to do that is not trading too much. Another way is um, contract sizing, and another way is looking for your particular edge and setups. If you have the data saying your edge works at, I don't know, 75%, play your edge. Play your edge with your contract size, you know, varying the contract size depending on market conditions. And you'll turn out to have more green days than red days. Or if you do have a red day, it's not horrible, hopefully. Now, do keep in mind though, like, um, so I trade on a 50K account. Uh, this particular one is with my funded futures. Why do I pick 50K account? Because they're harder to trade because you have such a small initial max drawdown. And what I did with this particular account is for the first, I don't know, 30 days of it, all I worked on was building my cushion. I didn't take one payout until after like 30, 40 days because I was just building the cushion. Yeah, that's high risk, because you could blow an account if your risk management is messed up. But I wanted my drawdown to be more than what they were giving me. I don't know. I just don't like following other people's rules. So like if they say, "Oh, you have a 2,500, fine. I want to have a 3,500. Give me that extra thousand of cushion so I can trade and not have to worry about like, oh, I'm so close to getting canceled out." No, I'm nowhere near getting close, even with the red days. Nowhere near it because I built enough cushion and I know when, I'm pretty good at stopping myself. All right, let's see. This might be a long opportunity. See how it went right to the cheap box and just started to change direction, just come straight up. That's what's telling me that my plan of the long on stall still valid right now. Still valid. To be honest, it's not. It's valid until um, we break that level. I'll be right back.
Running through the charts with Moe G. Dollar bills and beats, we feel so free. Market rising fast, just like the sea. In this trading world, we got the key. Bulls and bears that dance with our luck. Moji's got that charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down, we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feel
Hey everybody, sorry about that. I'm back. Look, see here. Yeah, let's see if there's a long opportunity here. So far, I've taken two longs. I just like the longs better today. However, we are still in a chop, so we got to be careful. All right, so now I think is a good time. All right, so we are now dropping. Okay, we have an exclusive offer for everybody. Okay, if you are not, if you want these indicators, right, and you've been waiting for a discount, now guess what? Your discount is finally here. So for a Black Friday sale for up to $80 off for 1 month, the first month of indicators, right? You have to DM me Moe G on Discord. Okay? So you're gonna DM me Moe G on Discord for your coupon. All right, so I'm gonna leave this on the screen. So you get your a month coupon, $80 off for your first month on the trading with added indicators, these premium indicators that so many traders have learned to be successful with, get payouts, live trade cash accounts, multi-figured traders. Your opportunity is right now. So again, Black Friday sale. What you want to do, if you want the $80 off, you have to DM me, Moji, on the score, right? I'm on Discord, so at Moji, you DM me, you qualify for a coupon. You just DM me, and we'll give you that coupon. All right, so now let's get back to the charts. Well, thank goodness I didn't take that long because price just shot right back down. We are definitely on a retracement. How do I know? I'm reading it off the algo here. So that level held up. Okay, so that means that's going to be a strong level. Yeah, right now we're in indecision time. Yeah, this daily candle's a giant, two giant wicks basically, and that's funny. So if we go here and I put the candles on, you can see this is the 15-minute chart. Actually, 2 minute. Let me go to 15. There you go. See it on the 15-minute chart here. We almost made it to this area, and then we just are now heading back down. So this yellow line area here, that's where that's where the fight happened so far. Bears look like they've won it. See the Bulls try to push past. We wicked it right down to it. And now in this 15 minute, which we have 1 minute left, it's pushed down. Let's see if the next one will stay down or are we gonna chop in this area for a while? Let's see. TPO says we're gonna chop, so let's see. Let's see if it turns off. Let's see. Let's see if what price wants to do here. This is why I like zooming out to the higher time frames because on the 1 minute, it looks like giant moves, but on the 15, you see how wicky it is. This is what's telling me this right here. is what's telling me we're in a chop right now. Like you see, that 15-minute candle, that was just a wick. Let's see what the next one wants to do. Here we go. Again, we are still in a chop, so if you're gonna enter, be careful. Be careful. Okay, let's see. Ooh, okay. Maybe I still got a shot for my long. Maybe I still got a shot. TPO turned off. Like this. I like this. This is a good spot to actually go in. Let's see. Let's see. Yikes. And thank God I didn't go in yet. But I still like the long opportunity. Actually, you could come down a little bit. So this way I can get a better entry. Let's see. Come on. Give me a good opportunity to get in here. It's chopped again. Yeah, let me get in. Let's see. Let's see if we can get 7 points off of this for TP1. Let's see. Now it's fighting. Is it too early? Let's see. I know we're choppy, but I like the direction we're heading. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Get there. Get there. Get there. Get there. Get there. Couple ticks away from TP1. Come on. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Oof. Man, this is tough. Come on. Get there. Get there, TP1. Get there. Oh, no. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get out of this. See. See if this has another leg. Three, two, one. Oh, it's pushing down. That ain't good. All right. I'm gonna have to get out of this trade soon. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if it gives it to us. This is the chop that that I hate. Let's see if it can chop up for us. Come on. Chop up. Chop up. Nope. Not liking it. Not liking it. Come on, let's see. Let's see. Let's see what kind of 4 hour you want to be. Do you want to be a bullish or bearish? Yeah, that's chopping me down. All right, I'm going to minimize my losses here. Come on. I don't like this, how this just stopping right there. Yuck. Yuck. There it goes. Yep. Boy, that stinks. I'm out. That really stinks. Minimize my loss, so, you know, not too worried, but that was harsh. This is why I don't like to enter in the chops too much. It looks like the downward pressure is too much. Oh, look at that. IVD's turning red. Okay, so I'm gonna lay off the longs for a while. Yeah. So let's see. Oof, man, what a push down. What a flush. All right, let's see. We might have to switch the buys up a bit. I would really love it for that TPOs just to turn off. All right, what am I looking for here? So choppy, man. So choppy. So choppy. It's choppy, but it's chopping up. Because you can see how like we had low and then a little bit higher, a little bit higher, but this is a lot of stop in between to get there. Come on. Which way do you want to go now? Gonna die again? Anyway, well, this is definitely a rough area. Yeah, see, we're chopping right around this yellow section right here. All right, so I'm gonna leave this start on. I'm just gonna walk away real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. You can see how finally popped up above that area, and so far we're above the previous 4 hour close. Let's see if it could stay there. Who knows? The way that this chop is, who knows? Let's see. Yeah, so right now, just being very patient, looking for opportunities. I really would love the TPO to click off or green. That would be awesome. So this way, we can look for opportunities long. Let's see. Come on, TPO. Turn off so we can get our long opportunities. That's all we want. We just want a long opportunity. Or will it chop up without us? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh man, look at that. That's a nice little candle right there. I think it's gonna chop up. I think you're gonna see the stop loss change. Here it is. I think this is the continuation now of this long movement. Let's see if we can get new highs, huh? See if we can get a new high here. Okay, right now we are. Come on, TPO, turn off. Oh my God. You're in this long. Congratulations. I am not. But I like doing like mentally, see what's see what's possible. Okay, TPO turned off, which is good. See if okay, got a buy signal. This might be a good opportunity to get in. Let's see. Let's see if it might come back a little bit, but no, hopefully it won't come back much. Okay, there you go. That's a good buy opportunity. Let's see we get in here. See what happens. It's a push down. That's okay. That's fine. I like the TPO is off yellow. The IVD's turning green, which is good, which is bullish. Let's see. Let's see if it wants to get to the high. So for probability is saying it could. See if it wants to. Oh, the buy button went away. Okay, so could push down a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So far, so good. Okay, I think that we got a nice move up coming. Okay. Let's see. Are the bulls still pushing, or are they taking a little breather right now? I think they're going to take a little breather right now. Yeah. See how much of a breather they want to take. And it's a big breather. Okay. This might be an opportunity to get back in. Hey, CR. Oof. All right, let's see what's happening here. Got the continuation. All right. Still gonna. One thing I like is the TPO is off yellow, which is good. Now let's see if price price can stay above the yellow line. Then I can look long. See how much of a push down they want to do here before get into the long. Now back to yellow. Come on. All right, so we're gonna be fighting here again. TPOs are back to yellow. Maybe we should wait till the surge cycles through. Yeah, this is just gonna be a patient day to wait. Hmm. Another push down from there again. Okay. Now we got another sell button again. Oh wow, that's interesting. That is very interesting. See, this is why I don't like to chop. Sell button stayed, so I think price might be pushing down, but choppy down. Choppy down. Can it get below that line again? Let's see. All right, VD turned off again, so that's bearish. All right. So what could it not do? Could not stay above there. Came right back in. Now it's right in there. Let's see. Let's see. This chop is unbelievable. Definitely a good day for a TP1. All this chop. Ice is like it's stuck here. All right, so we got a sell button. We got two sell buttons. Do we want to take a shot? Do we want to take a shot here? Pull up a little bit more, and then see if we take a shot. Let's see. Still yellow though. I really don't like that. It's very hard to get a good read on what price wants to do right now because it's just chopping back and forth, up and down, up and down. Let's see. All right. Okay, so it is 10:55. I'm going to give it 5 more minutes if we're going to stay chopping here. What I'll do is I'll leave the chart on for about 10 minutes so you can have access to the directions to get a $80 off coupon. Look, you see, look at that. Top city right now. Yeah, so this way you can have access to the $80 coupon. Remember, you have to DM me, Moe G, on Discord. Um, so we can give you the coupon, the Black Friday sale. Let's see. We got about 4 minutes left. All right. Yeah, this is a lot of chop right now. All right, so let me just do a little recap. Okay, so took a couple trades here. One loss, one win, one mental trade. Other than that, we've been chopping here, doing a bunch of nothing. So we got to sit and wait to see what the market can and cannot do. Right now, it's looking like it's holding above that 957 area. Um, but I like the longs personally. I like the longs more than the shorts because we keep stalling out at that area. And when things start to turn, probably later in the day, the TPO turns off or green, we should head higher. And now, if not, on the reverse of that, if we keep struggling here at that yellow line, the solid line, which is the 4 hour previous 4 hour close, then and then it's probably just done for the day and just come back tomorrow. All right. So with that, thank you everybody for watching today. The code's going to be here. I'm going to leave the chart on for about another 10 minutes and then we'll end the stream. Remember, the video will be up later today. So if anybody missed it, if you're in Discord and you missed it, that's your chance to get the code. All right, everybody, take care.
charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moe G and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moe G's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down we groove with delight. In Moe G's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moe G and me, the perfect brigade. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, cash flow low. Moe G and we still style. Digging like a profit brigade. Whoa. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moe G and we still styled. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moe G and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moe G's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down we groove with delight. In Moe G's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moe G and me, the perfect brigade. Perfect brigade. Perfect brigade. Running through the charts with Moe G. Dollar bills and beats, we feel so free. Market rising fast just like the sea. In this trading world, we got the key. Bulls and bears that dance with our luck. Moe G's got that charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moe G and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moe G's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down we groove with delight. In Moe G's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moe G and me, the perfect brigade. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, cash flow low. Moe G and we still style. Digging like a profit brigade. Whoa. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moe G and we still styled. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moe G and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moe G's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down we groove with delight. In Moe G's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. trading world, we got the key. Bulls and bears that dance with our luck. Moe G's got that charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, cash flow. Moe G and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moe G's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market
All
trends we
right, so I just wanted to jump back on real quick. So just I was talking about before where we what could the market not do? So far, it doesn't like being below this yellow area. So for me, the longs are still in play. Hopefully, TPO will get out of this yellow coloring, either gray or green. Be awesome. So this way, the longs can finally take off. So we've been steadily making higher lows. Let's see. I got 10 more minutes. Let's see if I can find a long. See what the 15-minute looks like. Yeah, okay, so good. The 15-minute is bullish. All right. Let's see. Entries here. Not yet. Yeah, I like the IVD's green. The only thing is the yellow TPO is going to make it tough on the timing to get TP1. It's looking very bullish. All right, let's see. Come on. I need you to click off. It's actually good. It's actually good. Come back. Let's see where you want to stop at. This is what you've been doing all day. This is good. I want actually now a red surge to appear. Yeah, I think it'll sit by that yellow line and then finally catch its way up. And it's a push down. Let's see, got a couple minutes. Let's see. Okay, good. I like this little breath here. Now let me get that red surge. If it sticks around here by that Manchester average, I'm gonna be looking low. Okay, well that's crazy. It just went right from okay. So I guess we're pushing down. I don't know. I'm gonna be looking at that level I have right there. Yeah, so this is where mindset plays a part. Hmm. Looks like things are starting to change to the bearish side now, probability wise. Okay, now we reassess. Now we just reassess. We're still, TPO is still yellow. That level still holding. And the sell button, I like it. See. Okay, there's the surge build up there, which is nice. The price hasn't really gone anywhere. Let's see. Let's see. What does price want to do here? Looks like it wants to push down. Yep, looks like it's pushing down here. Still choppy though. Still choppy push. Let's see, wants to push down. Let's see. Man, this chop is disgusting. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can get in a short here. See if we can get 7 points now. Come on. Come on. Get my 7 points here. Give me a risk free. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Risk free. Why did I go here? Because it's below that yellow line level where it couldn't get above. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, come on. I might have to get out soon because I don't like the way this chop is just sitting here. Get me risk free. Come on. Mm, man, it's chopping me up. Not out yet, but that was so close. So close. Come on. I think this sucker's gonna come back. Yep. Damn it. This sucker's coming back. Yep. It came back on me. That stinks. Oh well, that's a loss. Okay, well I tried. Well, that's it for today. Be on tomorrow. Hopefully we can catch some better trades and not this chop. Take care, everybody.